In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Slack. If you've ever sent a message with a typo, posted something too early, or dropped a message into the wrong channel, don't worry. Slack makes it very quick to remove a message you've already sent. In most cases, the whole process takes less than 10 seconds. Before we begin, keep in mind that you can usually delete messages that you personally wrote, but some workspaces have restrictions set by admins or owners. So if you don't see the delete option, it may simply be disabled by your workspace settings. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the channel or direct message where the message was originally posted. Use the sidebar on the left to navigate to the correct conversation, then scroll through the chat until you find the exact message you want to remove. Make sure you select the right one, especially if there are several similar messages in the same thread or conversation. Next, move your mouse over that message. When you hover over it, Slack will display a small action bar near the top right area of the message. This menu gives you quick controls for managing that specific post. In that action bar, click the three dots icon to open the More Actions menu. Once the drop-down menu appears, look through the available options and scroll down if needed. Near the bottom, you should see the option labeled Delete Message. Click that option to begin the removal process. There's also a faster shortcut worth knowing. If the message is selected, pressing the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard can open the same confirmation prompt right away, which can save a little time. After that, Slack will show a confirmation window asking if you want to delete the message. This is an important final check because deleting a message is permanent and can't be undone. Read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what's being removed, then click the red delete button to confirm. As soon as you do that, the confirmation window will close and the message will disappear from the conversation. Once Slack processes the change, that message is removed from the timeline across desktop, browser, and mobile views for everyone in the workspace. And that's all there is to it. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.